Deep inside a dense jungle, we found the remains of a crashed aircraft. Surrounded by trees and vegetation, the plane appears to have been sitting here for a long time. From above, only parts of the aircraft are clearly visible. How did this plane end up deep in the jungle? The location makes this discovery even more mysterious. Next, we move to Australia, where an unusual aircraft can be seen sitting in the middle of the field. At first glance, it almost looks like the plane has been abandoned far away from a normal airport. But why is an aircraft sitting here? From the satellite view, we can get a fascinating look at its position and the surrounding area. We traveled to South Africa. Near an airport, we discovered an abandoned aircraft that appears to have been left there for unique some time. The aircraft is no longer opening, but it can still be supported from above on satellite imagery. It's amazing how Google Earth can reveal aircraft that you might never notice from the ground.